Hey guys, Mahmoud Rubel here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can build a two-step sales funnel using System.io, and it is absolutely free. So most beginner do a lot of mistake. The first mistake they do is they send to a traffic to direct affiliate offer. That's the way they can buy, because first time we don't buy from any other and random people. So we need to a system that helps me to collect their email first, then we send the offer. And first we uh, build trust, then we send offer. That way we can do this better. Okay, so let's see in the screen how it goes. Okay, so if you don't know what is this sell funnel is, so okay, I'm going to show you. As you can see, this is the sales funnel image. So as you can see, it is a breeze page. So we need to create a breeze page first, and then we create a affiliate offer page where we put a affiliate link, and when people go to breeze page, they give us a email and we send them email. So we generate traffic from Facebook ad, Instagram, and many other sources. Okay, so let's see what kind of tools that is that we wish to create this absolutely free. So as you can see, this tool name is System. Okay, the easiest and fastest way to grow your online business. So you can start with free. Okay, let's see their pricing plan. Okay, as you can see, they have a free plan. So you can create 3 sales funnel with this free plan, and you can collect 2000 emails. And System.io is a tool that help you collect email with sales funnel, and also help you build email list and send email to your audience. Okay, so let's see their feature. Okay, so they have a sales funnel. You can create sales funnel based on their templates. They have a lot of templates, and you can send emails and create email campaigns with autoresponder. And they have also website builder. In case if you want to start a blog, you can use this website builder to build under 10 minutes. Okay, so they have affiliate program management. So if you have affiliate program, you can manage the affiliate program with System.io. And business automation, evergreen webinars. So if you want to create webinars, if you want to interact with your audience, you can also create webinars. And you can also build a online course, manage your students. And you can, as you can see, blogging, you can create a blog inside System.io. And you can also become a dropshipper or sales your own product in this System.io. So it is a all-in-one business platform. So in this video we just create a two-step sales funnel. This is their main feature. So let's log in their System.io. Okay, now click menu and go to funnels. Okay, so you need to create, and we build an audience. Click here and name it affiliate marketing book. Okay, Now click create. So system.io create two pages. One is quiz page, then thank you page. So we first need to create quiz page. So as you can see here, you can find a template, a lot of template here, and we need to select a template that match our offer. Okay, so we um, build audience, and uh, we build audience with a give away free book. Okay, so this is a perfect match for our quiz page. So select here. Okay, quiz page, so we need to edit it, so click edit page. So as you can see, it is the ready-made template, ready-made quiz page, so we need to just edit it. So in this quiz page we promote a product, so we promote a product called 3-day challenge. Okay, so we need to just remove someone who promoted 3-day challenge. So I find someone that promoted a 3-day challenge. As you can see, this is the 7th step to becoming super affiliate. Okay, so this product is promoted someone, so we just remodel it. Okay, so now copy this title and go to editor and click here and paste it here. Okay, and finally the 7th proven step to building a 6-figure online business from scratch. And then we need to copy this and paste it here. Okay, make it just little bit small. Okay, and then click here, copy, paste it here. Okay, now we need to change this image. Okay, this image. So it looks good. And just delete this. Okay, Okay, we're done with our Squarespace. So if we see this page, okay, this looks good. We need to thank you page. So I don't waste your time because it need a lot of time. So before creating this tutorial, I have created entire sales funnel. So I create Swiss page, thank you page. So if we go to edit thank you page, okay, as you can see, we create this. You are all set. Check your email for free ebook. Check your spam folder as well. The email should arrive from my name is, and we created some bulleted list and are ready to start. Be sure to take immediate action what you learn, and I can't wait to work alongside you and help set you free. So yes, show me how. So here we add our affiliate link. As you can see, this is the affiliate link. So if people click here, they go to and affiliate offer. So I show you in real action. Okay, so go here and if we go to view funnel, so this is a Squarespace. Okay, live the laptop lifestyle now with free ebook below. Finally, the 7 proven steps to building a 6-figure online business from scratch. So this book, so download your free book. So they need to enter their name, okay, and they need to enter their email address. Okay, get instant access. So if they click there, they go to this page. Okay, you are all set. Check your email for free ebook, and this is the affiliate offer. If they click here, they go to a affiliate offer. So it is an affiliate offer, and they click my link. Okay, my affiliate link, and if they okay, just give me access. So if they buy from here, we can get commission. Okay, as you can see, and if they don't buy, no problem, we email them, build trust, and sell them on the way. Okay, so this is the way we need to do affiliate marketing. We need to create Squarespace, then send email. Okay, and so as you can see, it is absolutely free to build Squarespace, build thank you page. You can also build a complicated sales funnel. So it is so easy with system.io. So if you want to build Squarespace and thank you page with this system.io, you can check out a description. You can find a link where I can share my funnel. You can copy this my funnel. You don't need to recreate it. So you just copy and all the things done for you. Okay, that's for all you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video.